Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with a bald cap. I look funny as hell. Okay, so I just got like the easiest wig in the mail. I have been kind of like experimenting with wigs, seeing like what I can do or whatever, but I honestly just got the easiest wig in the mail, so I want to show you guys. The hair is actually from Hairvivi and it's a lace front. It's 18 inches and yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys. So this is the box that it comes in. I actually retied this because I already opened the box and saw the hair and everything, but I just wanted you guys to see how cute the packaging is. So yeah, we're just about to open this up. To start off, I am actually going to throw this away and we're gonna take this off. I kind of want to see how this is gonna look on my hair with no got to be glue, no wig cap and all of that. So the hair, ooh, I look so crazy, bear with me y'all. So the hair comes in the box like this. Ooh. This is their fake scalp wig. This really looks like a fake scalp. I'm gonna take it out obviously so you guys can see what it looks like. And then it also came with this little comb and it has like a pick on the end. And then we also have these two clips. I think that was really sweet of them to send these two clips along with the package because I be using like rubber bands and all types of stuff I'm not supposed to be using. So ooh, feels nice. Guys, seriously, tell me this doesn't look like an actual scalp. This is their fake scalp wig and it's like 160 density. But yeah, okay, enough of me talking. Let me put it on. I got this in a size small. I don't know if you guys need to know that, but yeah. So that's what it looks like. I don't know why I always smell hair. You gotta see what it smells like. It comes with this band in here. Cherry. It's my cat. It comes with this band here and it actually says Hairvivi, which I think is really cute. The lace looks tinted, not gonna lie. Okay, let me put this on. Am I putting it on right? I don't think I'm putting it on right. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on and use this little band in here to size it to my head. This is already a small, so I might not have to size it, but I don't know. So I finally have it on and this is what it looks like. Like, wow. Listen y'all, I have the tiniest forehead. This is gonna look either too high for my edges or too low, but I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave some of my actual edges out so that way it kind of like blends together, you know what I mean? Because I have a tiny forehead. Like I'm one of those people with like a 3 head. Like it's literally this big. So this is what the hair looks like. It's 18 inches, but it looks super long. So let's see. Oh wow, even the parts look real. So you can kind of just, oh my gosh, that looks so real. I'm not even, oh my goodness. It looks like a fresh perm. Like, you know what your scalp looks like when you get a fresh perm. Like, seriously. Okay, so I need to cut this off. So I can't really see on my camera, but what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut it to my liking. Honestly, if I wanted to do like braids or like something like that, like, I play too much. Anyways, let me go ahead and cut this lace. I just switched the scissors because these are more like hair scissors and they're smaller, so I'm just gonna go and use these. I cut the lace, guys, and then what I did was I pulled out some of my baby hairs or adult hairs, whatever you want to call them. But I got, you know, my hair is blue, so I'm just going to gel that and tuck it. This looks really popping. I really like this. I'm just gonna like pull some of these forward. I've laid my little baby hairs. Don't come for me. So I'm just gonna leave this on for about 10 minutes just to let everything set, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like. And I haven't done anything to it besides cut the lace and put it on. I also forgot to mention that this hair is pre-plucked and pre-bleached, which is probably why it looks so good. Like, it really looks like a fake scalp. But yeah, so I just wanted to mention that and let you guys know. And I will have a discount code for you guys if you guys do want to check this hair out. Okay, so I really love the way this turned out. Even though I haven't tried, you know, that many wigs, this is definitely one of my faves by far. I haven't had much shedding with anything that I've been doing. This is what's up. I am not a pro yet, and my baby hairs are looking super thick. I love how easy this was. I'm not wearing a cap. I didn't use glue. I didn't flat iron it. I didn't pluck anything here. Y'all know I don't know how to do that. I don't know how I want to style this. That is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little I don't even know what to call it. You guys kind of got ready with me, but with my lace wig, so we're gonna call it that. This hair is amazing. Like, I'm in awe, to be honest. I'm in awe. I am really in awe. Like, I didn't have to do much. So yeah, that is the end of this video. Wait, hold on. Super long, super soft, super shiny, super everything amazing on all that. All the details will be down below. I don't know why I keep doing this. Okay, all the details will be down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out for links and any you know, other information on this hair. Thank you, Hairvivi, for sponsoring this video. This hair is amazing. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and be sure to leave a comment down below in the comment section. And I'll see you guys on the next video.